Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and I normally don't make videos this late, but this deal is too sweet not to pass up, pun intended. So if you love candy, this is a really good deal. You're going to have to do it as a curbside order, which means you order it from your phone or your home computer. And go and pick it up at the store. I would do this as soon as possible because these bags of fancy Ghirardelli, it's like a chocolate with some caramel inside, are $1.79 each. So this is super uber fancy. So I would do this deal right away. And if you wanted to do this deal in store, you have to do it as a curbside because the prices are only this way on the app. What are we looking at? It is these 5.3 ounces. It has to be this exact one because Ghirardelli has a ton of candy. It is this milk chocolate sea salt caramel. This one. Special shout out to Graceful Deals on TikTok. This young lady had posted it a couple days ago, and I thought it was just at her store. I didn't really read it. I didn't really think about it. And then somebody else was talking about this deal tonight, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And I checked at my little town, and boom. There was candy for this exact price. So why they sometimes do this through the app, I don't really know. See at the bottom where it says pick up, that's what you're going to have to press. And fingers and toes crossed, there's still some in stock at your local store. Wouldn't that be nice? This is a really nice thing to give away for Easter or just to have it on hand for a nice special fancy gift. I mean, who doesn't like a little bit of Ghirardelli chocolate? Unless you're on the keto diet like yours truly, then you just leave it at the store. So here's the deal I have cooked up for you guys. All right, so we're going to grab this exact bag of chocolates. We're going to put 6 of them into our cart for $10.74. And for some of you out there who are like, well, why are you grabbing so many? That's just ridiculous. Because you need a minimum of $10 for a pickup curbside order. You know, anything less than $10, like, So that's what we need. So that's why we're going with 6. As you can see, the pickup is free. No tax on this in Michigan, so it's $10.74. Now, if you might have $10 of Walgreens cash on your store card because you have been so diligent doing deals and stuff, I think to get 6 bags of this for $10 of Walgreens cash, I think that's a very smart trade-off. So when you get to the payment page, really pay attention when you're on that payment page. It's like right smack dab in the center, but sometimes it's like, where's that thing? It's right above, right in the center of the page. It's not on the right-hand side where all this like order summary stuff is. Opt for $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and then charge 74 cents to your debit card, and you are laughing with a lot of chocolate. It's like a little Easter treat, you know? Now, one smart thing I would do, the store that I was ordering from, they said, substitutions, same brand, different size/count, any brand similar, don't substitute. I would go for the top one and then write a little note saying, hey, please substitute any Ghirardelli if this one isn't in stock. Sometimes what they'll do is they will fulfill a bunch of orders, especially this time of the night. The computer might be asleep or whatever. And then the next day they'll just cancel your order. But if the person who's fulfilling the order sees that, they might just give you 6 of a different one. So just make sure that you have that checked off, and hopefully they fulfill your order. Do this right away, guys, because it is so cheap. I think a lot of people are going to be pouncing on this, especially if you have a lot of couponers in your neighborhood. One last thing, I made a video earlier today where this Big Daddy, the 32.1 fluid ounce of the Head & Shoulders is $5.99. We have a 3 off a 2 and $1 digital. So if there's only like a couple bags left at your store, you could always throw in some Head & Shoulders. Wouldn't that be nice? The Supreme is also included too, which is like a really nice. A couple of you were asking like, what does the Supreme smell like? I think it smells a lot like Redken shampoo. When I used to go to the nice salon back in the day, that's what it smelled like. It reminds me of like diamond oil. It's that really smell of like beautiful argan oil, and it does not smell like old-fashioned Head & Shoulders from the 80s. It's a really nice one. Okay, I know a lot of you are really excited about that because I love Head & Shoulders too, so I'm so happy that many of you like it. With that, get a side of chocolate and have a great Wednesday night. Bye, guys.